A Stoic philosopher, a figure unmoved by fear, embarks on a journey into the chilling realm of horror villains. Through the lens of Stoic philosophy, he seeks to understand the psychological depths of these macabre figures. According to the Stoics, fear is not a product of external events, but rather a judgment we make about those events. Horror villains often capitalize on our deepest fears, exploiting our anxieties and insecurities. Yet, a Stoic would argue that these fears are merely illusions, products of our own minds. The Stoics taught us to differentiate between things within our control and things beyond our control. Fear often arises from the latter. By focusing on what we can control, our thoughts, our actions, we can mitigate its power. The Stoics emphasize the importance of virtue. Courage, wisdom, justice, and temperance are the qualities that can help us overcome fear and live a meaningful life. The Stoics practiced negative visualization, imagining the worst-case scenario to prepare for adversity. This practice can help us develop resilience and reduce the fear of the unknown. Additionally, they emphasized living in the present moment, avoiding dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. By focusing on the present, we can reduce anxiety and increase our enjoyment of life. Through the lens of Stoic philosophy, we can see that even the most terrifying horror villains can serve as a mirror to our own fears and insecurities. By understanding the nature of fear and applying Stoic principles, we can conquer it and live a life of virtue and tranquility.